$225, man. That's steep.
Yeah, but you bought 2 pairs.
I have no comeback to that.
My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
It's cracking YouTube. It's me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite YouTube content creator. Back at you again with another video, sneaker review actually. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. And it should be like somewhere right here below. I'm adding that. Hopefully it pops up when I say that. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Sorry about that. I had a little pause because I'm adding new stuff to my page. Hopefully this is the first video of a lot, so if I say something and you don't see it, that's because I wasn't able to edit it in. But got some little pointers from someone who does this YouTube thing like full time, and they told me a lot of good details, a lot of new stuff I can add to my channel. So just trying to give y'all better visuals and better stuff for y'all. But anyway, get to it. This is actually my first pickup, in-store pickup of the month of March. Yeah, March. March. I do have 2 sneakers on the way. Not really going to tell y'all what it is. I'll order them online, but they should be coming if my order did not get canceled, because I heard a lot of people that ordered this shoe, their orders got canceled. So we're going to see. So hopefully that come within the next couple days. I got confirmation that the purchase went through, but I did not get any like shipping, so that means they didn't ship it out yet. So we're gonna see about sometime next week. Anyway, get straight to it. Shout out to Foot Locker. You know, I just came back. Had to get this. This is a shoe that I actually was waiting for because of the colorway and the hype of it. But yeah, you see that UNC Jumpman right there on the box. UNC Jumpman right there on the side. And that cement print UFC going UNC. I keep on saying UFC. UNC going all the way around it. I like the way when they add little special touches to like the boxes to make it feel unique. I like that. So without further ado, boom, flip that over. Got that cement paper right there. And without further ado, oh, these look nice. Oh yeah. I like these. We'll put it right there. Without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 5 UNC. Boom, and it kind of matched my hat a little teeny bit, a little OTB hat right there. I think I keep on going back and forth if I want to put my clothing line Instagram in the description. I don't think I do. Because my clothing line is not really for sale. It's just my brand like that. I don't really want to like profit off of my brand. My brand is what I usually wear. Every now and then you might see me wear some Nike, but right here, OTB hat. Can you see that right there? OTB pants. And don't mind my little slippers right there. real comfortable right there. Classic like these. Real comfortable. But anyway, back to the shoe. Yo, I got some information off of KicksOnFire.com. Shout out to KicksOnFire.com. It reads, Jordan Brand will be giving the Air Jordan 5 the UNC look in 2023, as the popular retro will get covered in the popular powder blue hue. Inspired by the school colors of MJ's alma mater, this new colorway of the Air Jordan 5 takes on an official color combination of the university blue, black, and white throughout, as the sneaker gets covered in a Carolina blue nubuck constructed all throughout the upper. Additional highlights include silver 3M reflected tongues and black Jumpman logos. Collegiate inspired patches on the heels right here, heart and soul wording behind the tongue, a black midsole with gray speckling, and an icy translucent outsole. The shoe will also come housed in a special box and will be available in 4 family sizes. So yeah, this shoe is actually oh, I'm so sorry, I didn't even tell y'all I didn't even do my thing. Oh, let me just throw this in here real quick. I forgot to give y'all the description of the thing. Air Jordan 5 Retro SE, University Blue, Black, White, size 8.5. So you know what that means. Personal pair, no reseller here. I am so sorry. I usually do that before I even take the shoe out the box. But I was so pumped about taking the shoe out the box, I forgot to do that. I apologize, YouTube. I apologize, all my subscribers. But yeah, it is my size personal pair. But yeah, so like I said, got this Carolina blue nubuck all on the top. Meaning you and I be careful with this, because I have had a couple nubuck shoes that when they got a scuff, it's just hard to get out. Got the shark teeth right there with the blue speckles inside of the white shark teeth. Translucent bottom right there with the Jumpman underneath of it. Jordan right there. Like they said, got the patch, the Nike patch on the back. Is that the Nike? That's what they said? Oh, the collegiate inspired patch on the heels. And as you can read, it says quality products inspired by the greatest basketball player ever alive. And you got the Team Jordan Jumpman right there. 3M tongue right there on the 3M tongue right there with the Jumpman right there. Black midsole going around. Got that clear lace lock right there, clear blue lace lock right there. Come with blue laces right there. Got the gray netting right there. It said on the inside of it, yeah, this one says sole. I'm not really gonna, as you can see that, sole. I'm not gonna pull the other shoe out, but the other one says heart on the back of the inside of the tongue. I mean, I like this shoe. I love all UNC color shoes. These, I was debating, if you see right now, you see this box right here, and I'm pretty sure you can see the box right there, so that means I doubled up. I'm not gonna lie to you. But I was going back and forth about doubling up because I have the Air Jordan 5, the women Air Jordan 5 Bluebirds. It should be a little thing up there right there. You go check out the review. It's gonna pop up right there when I say Bluebird. I have that shoe, even though it's a different color hue, different color blue. I was like, you know what, I can still get it, but I gotta get the Carolinas. Like I said, I love the Air Jordan 3 UNCs. That should pop up there for my review for that one. I love the Air Jordan 6 UNCs. That should pop up right there. Like, all this stuff that y'all seeing popping up on the video, y'all can thank Jessica for this, because I didn't know about none of this stuff. So yeah, what else? UNC, I do not got the UNC ones. So yeah, I think that's gonna be the only videos I add to it. But anyway, yeah, I love this shoe. It's a beautiful, beautiful shoe. Enough for me to double up. One to stock, one to rock. What do you think about this classic? 1 to 10, what do you think about it?
8.5.
8.5. That's a good number right there. You know what? I'm gonna go. You know what? I'm gonna be real with you. I'm gonna give it an 8. I like the shoe. I kind of wish the laces was another color, black. I think that's a little bit too much blue. It kind of, yeah, it's a lot of. How you say what?
I love blue.
Oh, I like blue too, but it kind of blends in. I kind of wanted it to be separate a little teeny bit. Not an issue, not a big problem at all. But if I had some black laces, which I probably put some black laces in, I think these are gonna look fire with some black laces. But yeah, classic got an 8.5. I got an 8. But yeah, it's a good shoe. It's a good shoe. Anyway, y'all know what to do, man. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, favorite YouTube content creator, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune squad. Hold up. I got a video that should be popping up right now. That's my last sneaker review. That's for now on. At the end of all my videos, I will be posting, like, I will be adding my last sneaker review in the video. So if you ain't go check out my last sneaker review, that's the video right there. Go click on it. But yeah, as always, from your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, you know what to do. Have a nice day.